Transformation is progressive. There's the word progress. Scripture says we are a work in progress. And it's beautiful. We're going from glory to glory. I love that. We're being changed in the image of God. Christ in me, the hope of glory. We're being shifted into the beautiful person we were intended to be, created, that's in our heart, that got lost with lie-based thinking, that got lost with fear-based thinking. And so it's progress. It's moving in the direction of, not perfection, not that any of us have arrived, myself included. So it's important to understand that the goal is just continuous progress. It is not arriving. If you have this mentality that life is about, it's like vacation, right? It's about getting there. You got to enjoy the journey. I like to go a lot to Tahoe, frequently. If I just focused on once I'm right there on the lake, which is a beautiful, wonderful thing, I would miss the trees, the colors changing, orange and yellow. I would miss the twists and the turns, the different types of trees. There are pine trees, and there's the aspen trees, and there's all of these things I would miss. And our life is the same way. It's very easy to wish away our life. It's very easy to just be waiting, and you've probably seen that. It's like, when I graduate from college, then I'll be happy. This is the old thinking that we talked about earlier, right? And when I get married, then I'll be happy. When I have kids, then when the kids graduate, then I'll be happy. When I retire, then I'll be happy. We just like wish away our life. But if we can instead step into the beautiful divine progress that we're in, we can have more grace, more patience, more love, self-love. We treat ourselves pretty rough. Okay? So, progress, not perfection. Okay? As it happens progressively. Paul had a very wise approach to that. We see it in Scripture. It's important that both we and the clients understand, first of all, your past does not equal your future. Your past does not equal your future. It doesn't matter. The past is gone. It was a stepping stone. It was a lesson. It was something that you learned that didn't work. It was something that built your character. It's gone. It has nothing to do with your future. The past does not equal the future. The past is gone. It can't be changed. Help your clients when they start getting stuck back there to get back into the now, the miraculous, beautiful, amazing transformation potential. All potentiality is in the now. Infinite potentiality is in this moment. Yesterday's gone, tomorrow's not here. That's why we call the present a present.